You're listening to Radioscope, where we are about to embark on an interstellar adventure. Our first stop takes us into the boundless cosmos as we unravel the stellar success story of Aditya L1 mission by the Indian Space Research Organization. Prepare for this cosmic journey through the celestial wonders and scientific triumphs achieved in the exploration of our radiant sun. Srimati Nigar Shaji, the project director of Aditya L1 mission ISRO, shares her joy with Akashvani. Joining us for the conversations in this Radioscope program is Seema Kumari, Akashvani program executive.
Ma'am, can you provide an overview of Aditya L1 mission and its objectives in the broader context of ISRO's space exploration mission?
Yeah, Aditya L1 mission is mainly to have our own Indian soil solar observatory in space.
Okay, ma'am.
So that we will have a better understanding of the sun. Because sun, as you see, it's not very quiet or calm. It has lot of events, lot of eruptions. So to have a better understanding of the sun. And also, another objective is that we have lot of space hazards in the space. And this eruptions from the sun will have an impact on our space hazards. So we should have a better understanding of all the space weather model, that is the sun, when it ejects, and what is the intensity, what is the timeline. So to have an understanding so that we will have a warning system in the future. We wanted to develop a warning system so that our space assets can be saved. So this is the broader objectives of having this mission.
What are the major technical challenges we faced during the development and launch of this mission?
See, first technical challenge is the mission itself, mission management, because first time we are attempting to go to this point L1. Because this L1 is a vantage point for observing the sun. Because 24/7, because Earth will be on the other side, this point moves with the Earth.
Yes.
So we have a total 24/7 observation on the sun. So this is as first time we are going, and this is 1 person we are moving closer to the sun from Earth.
Yes.
And this point is not a planet-like. It is an imaginary point, and the spacecraft has to orbit around that point, balancing the forces of Earth and Sun. So that's first is that mission, having the spacecraft in that orbit is a challenge. So we did lot of mission studies, and we have arrived at this configuration and the necessary algorithms and softwares and all the flight dynamics methods to have this mission. Then the next is all these instruments, all the 7 instruments are newly developed instruments, and they have lot of challenges, especially in our coronagraph. We had lot of optical challenges. We need to build new mirrors with a very high surface roughness like that. And also, if the pointing accuracy demanded by these instruments to view the sun, that is also very, very stringent. And for that, we need to develop lot of new sensors. And all these things make the mission totally unique and totally challenging.
Yes, ma'am. What makes the Aditya L1 mission unique compared to other solar observation missions conducted globally?
Because almost it's in 70s we have these solar missions from other countries, especially from NASA, ESA. And still the sun is not well understood. Though we have many missions, many ground observations, but even then, it is still lot of mechanisms of the sun are not very well understood. So that's why even now even the other countries also continue to have solar missions. And mainly this space weather, it is an upcoming subject that like we should have a better model. Like Earth weather, now we have a better handle on our atmospheric models. And now we are in a position to predict good weather predictions of the Earth. So similar way, to protect our space assets, we should have a better model. So for this, still more observations, and it is also indigenously we should have a model of our own rather than depending on the other countries. So this is all the uniqueness or the importance what this mission can generate. That's how we are going for this mission.
Well, dear friends, that was Srimati Nigar Shaji, Project Director, Aditya L1 Mission.